Hey everybody, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you enjoyed this content or project, make sure you like it and share it out. Comment below if you get a chance. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you want to support this channel, join my membership. Click on the join button to find out more about the levels of perk I have to offer. If you can't join this channel, you can watch the ads to support this channel too. Today I'm sharing how I store my embroidery thread and cross stitch thread. I'm going to show you how I store it, and I'm going to show you these bobbins for organizing. You can use these bobbins here, and these are good for organizing your needlecraft projects to keep them tangle free. They're simple, one bobbin, floss, colors. You won't have to worry about losing or misplacing a color you need for your needlecraft projects. Great for needlecrafts, embroidery, and kids crafts. So I use these here, and what I do is I pop them out of there, and I like these because you can put them on a bookbinder ring and keep all your colors together. I need to pull all these out. And you just take your embroidery thread. I'm going to find the end of it. And I'll take and wrap it in here, put it in there, and I just wind it around. This is how I keep all my colors that I can see what I have, instead of keeping them in and I just wrap them around like this. And if I don't do them like this, they get all tangled up in my box, and I don't like it when they get tangled up, because a lot of times I'll throw them away. And this embroidery thread is, some of it's very expensive, but I got a lot of embroidery thread that I got from AC Moore's when they were closing up. And this is the way I store them. I used to throw them in my box, and like I said, they get all tangled. And if you like to keep your stuff organized, get you some of these cardboard bobbins. For easy organizing. And these are, I think I got these at AC Moore's too. I don't know. Yeah, I think I got them at AC Moore's too. These are called J-Lin Needlecraft. They might have them at Walmart. I don't know. But it's not one of their brands, I don't think. See, now that piece got a little tangle in it. This is very easy to tangle up. That's why I like to put them on these cards. Then I got some already over here that I need to put in this box. I got like a little storing box, and this is one that I got from it's a little storing box here that I keep them all in. I got lots of different color greens here. That's a green there. I got some lighter greens. I think that's that color green. See, it keeps them all organized. You can mark what colors on there, but I don't really do no projects that require a color. I just pick out what color I want to do it in, so I don't even mark them. Nope, I don't even mark them. And I think these two are the same color. I'm just going to put it in here. This makes organizing so much easier on your floss. And then I got key rings, like when I want to pick out the colors that I'm going to use, I just pop this little thing out. It pops out. And then I just put all my colors on here that I'm going to use. All the ones. This is a good way to have your colors ready that you're going to use. Just pop them on there, and that way you can have them all on one of these bookbinding rings and ready to go. That's how I store them. Yeah, I gotta hope you can get these from the Dollar Tree store. These here. This one's coming undone. That's the bottom of it. I didn't put it in there right. Let me put these back in there. I got some over here I gotta do that one. Some of them I just put in there, I didn't even do them. So this color can go over here with like the red colors. So this is how I store mine. You might have a different way. I don't buy a whole bunch. I just buy colors that I mainly use a lot. And that's the way I store them. So I got all these over here that I want to put in another box. Like the lime greens. Got some more pinks in the other box. These are the ones that I want to wound up on the bobbins. So let me know in the comment below how you store your floss. This is the way I do mine. I know there's other ways, but I do other kind of crafts, but I try to keep all my craft stuff together. So when I go to do the craft, I'll know where it's at. Lately I've been working on cross stitch and embroidery stuff. So maybe you want to check out some of these that I've done. I'm going to put this in here because I really don't need that right now. So, if you like this kind of content, subscribe. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of stitching on here. because my hands have been hurting from all crochet, so I'm going to do this for a while on this channel. So thanks for watching, and if you like to join the channel, join it. And this is how I store my floss, like this, in a container on these bobbins. So this is how I store them. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye bye.